Across many parts of the world, pigs have long been raised as an important agricultural resource. Beyond food production, pig skin plays a major role in global manufacturing. In this documentary journey, we enter a modern pork leather factory, where raw pig skin is transformed through science, machinery, and skilled labor into durable leather used for jackets, bags, shoes, and fashion accessories. This process operates under strict hygiene, timing, and quality control. Inside the factory, preserved pig skins arrive from regulated meat processing facilities. Each batch is documented, weighed, and traced to its source. Temperature-controlled storage prevents bacterial growth before processing begins. Workers visually inspect every hide, checking size, thickness, and surface condition. Scars or cuts are recorded, because early grading determines how each skin will be used in later stages. The skins are transferred into large soaking drums, filled with clean, filtered water. This soaking stage slowly rehydrates the hides and removes salt, dirt, and organic residue left from preservation. As the drums rotate, water penetrates deep into the fibers, restoring flexibility. This controlled process may take several hours, but prepares the skin for chemical and mechanical treatments ahead. After soaking, the hides move into the dehairing and liming stage. Special chemical solutions loosen remaining hair and open the fiber structure of the skin. Rotating drums ensure even exposure without damaging the surface. This step removes unwanted proteins while strengthening collagen fibers, forming a stable foundation that allows leather to remain strong and flexible after tanning. Next, the hides pass through fleshing machines, where excess fat and tissue are removed from the inner surface. Sharp rotating blades work under controlled pressure, cleaning the hide without cutting into the leather layer. Operators monitor every pass closely. This stage improves hygiene, reduces odor, and ensures uniform thickness before further processing continues. The cleaned hides are then split and shaved using precision machines. Digital systems control thickness according to final product needs. Thinner leather is used for garments and linings, while thicker layers are reserved for footwear and bags. Accuracy during this stage is critical, as thickness directly affects breathability, durability, and performance during stitching. Now begins tanning, the stage where skin becomes leather. Hides are placed in massive stainless steel drums, with tanning agents that permanently stabilize the fibers. Chrome tanning is commonly used for pig leather, producing soft, flexible, and long-lasting material. As drums rotate, chemicals bond with collagen fibers, preventing decay and giving leather its strength. After tanning, the leather is washed and neutralized to remove chemical residues. pH levels are carefully balanced to ensure safety and comfort for human use. At this stage, the leather has durability, but still lacks softness and color. The focus now shifts from preservation toward refinement, appearance, and texture improvement. Color is introduced as the leather enters dyeing drums. Pigments are precisely measured and mixed to achieve consistent tones. Controlled temperature and timing allow dye to penetrate evenly into the fibers. This ensures long-lasting color that resists fading. Whether the leather is intended for classic shades or modern fashion designs, following dyeing, excess moisture is removed through controlled drying systems. Leather is dried in climate-regulated rooms where air circulation prevents cracking or stiffness. Drying must be gradual. Once moisture levels stabilize, conditioning oils are applied to restore flexibility lost during earlier chemical treatments. Mechanical softening machines gently stretch and flex the leather. These movements relax fiber structures, creating the smooth and supple texture expected in quality pig leather. Technicians test samples by hand, checking elasticity and softness. Only leather that meets comfort standards proceeds to surface finishing. Surface finishing enhances both appearance and durability. Rollers and spray systems apply protective coatings that improve resistance to moisture, wear, and sunlight. Some leather receives embossed textures for decorative or functional purposes. This stage defines the final visual character of the leather before inspection. Each hide undergoes detailed quality inspection under bright lighting. Workers examine color consistency, surface smoothness, thickness, accuracy, and strength. Any defects are marked, and unsuitable pieces are separated. Only leather meeting strict standards continues into manufacturing, ensuring consistency across final products. Approved leather sheets move to the cutting area. Automated cutting machines follow digital templates to achieve precise shapes and minimize material waste. Pieces are cut according to their final purpose, whether for jackets, bags, or accessories. Precision here is essential for smooth assembly later. Cut pieces enter stitching lines, where industrial sewing machines assemble panels using reinforced seams. Skilled workers focus on collars, sleeves, pockets, and decorative elements. Thread tension and stitch spacing are carefully controlled, combining machine precision with human craftsmanship. Hardware, such as zippers, buttons, and fasteners, is installed and tested for strength and alignment. Reinforcement layers are added in stress areas to extend product lifespan. Each item is cleaned and polished to remove handling marks before final inspection. Before packaging, finished products undergo final quality checks. Measurements, stitching integrity, and surface finish are verified. Approved items are wrapped in moisture-resistant materials, labeled, and logged into inventory systems for tracking and export preparation. Packed goods are stacked onto pallets and prepared for shipment to global markets. From raw pigskin to refined leather products, every step inside the factory follows strict hygiene, safety, and quality standards. This journey reveals how modern industry transforms natural materials into durable leather used worldwide.